Alright, this customer is being proactive. Changing out these filters. Some Herbal 11. Alright, looks like we did find a potential problem. This door switch is angled. Problem is, I'm just going to bend it back and then see if we get 24 volts coming out of that. No way. Look what I just found. Somebody drilled through that. You already know. You already know. We're going to check static pressure and we're going to check the gas pressure. Okay, so we got the wireless manometer connected right here on OUTP, and we're going to turn this on and just verify the pressures within specs. I guess the gas should be turned on to do that, but RIP my dude.